Justice Secretary Shabana Mahmood backs sentencing czar David Gauka's plan for shorter sentences to solve jail overcrowding crisis. Violent criminals serving long prison sentences could be let out early under Labour's sentencing overhaul, Justice Secretary Shabana Mahmood has admitted. Ms. Mahmood backed Labour's sentencing czar, David Gauka, when he said dangerous offenders will have to be released sooner if we are serious about not exceeding. This could mean violent inmates locked up for many years, such as those convicted for manslaughter, will get out of prison early. Mr. Gauka, who is carrying out a sentencing review for the government, also admitted the changes would be controversial and difficult. And Ms. Mahmood said ministers cannot prevent a repeat of the prison overcrowding crisis by only releasing more criminals on shorter sentences. Speaking as she opened a new prison in North Yorkshire, the Labour Justice Secretary said, "I'm not going to get ahead of the formal final recommendations of I'll wait until I get those and then I'll make my decisions about which of the recommendations I want to pursue. But one thing is clear. We are already running back over 99% capacity in the prison estate. So, we're not going to get to a position of sustainable prison capacity, including with this new build as we're seeing now, with simply just action on shorter sentences. It's for the review to obviously look at the details as to how that might work, and then ultimately it'll be for me to consider which of those recommendations I want to take forward. But short sentence reform on its own isn't going to be enough. We're already over 99% capacity. We are filling prison spaces as fast as we can build them, and we know already we cannot build our way out of this crisis, even though we are also building at the same time.